Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Normal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of the latest budget offering from Infinix in India, the Infinix S3X. So Infinix S3 was announced previously. Now we have the Infinix S3X. Now this device comes with a notch display, so that's upgrade. Now this device will be available in India pretty soon. So this is the box packing of the Infinix S3X. So we have the 3GB RAM and 32GB storage within, and you can also see the notch display. It's an HD plus resolution display with 19:9 aspect ratio. We have a glossy glass-like finishing on the back panel. So you can see that Infinix S3X is mentioned here, and we have the aqua blue variant of the Infinix S3X, and you can see the specifications mentioned here. 6.19 inches HD plus resolution display, AI selfie camera, 16 megapixel low light selfie camera, 13 plus 2 megapixel dual rear camera, face unlock and fingerprint scanner is included, 4000 mAh capacity battery, and this is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 430 octa-core chipset. So that's the device, and you also get a free upgrade to the next version of Android. That's one version is promised, and this device comes with Android 8.1 along with XOS, that's a custom UI. So the box mentioned the pricing of 10,999, but it should be lower than that. So we'll get to know once the device is officially launched. So let's get started with the unboxing. So there you go. Opening up, you can see the Infinix S3X on the top. You can see the specifications once again mentioned here, and let's just peel off the front case. Now you can see that there is a triple slot available. You can see 2 SIM card slots and a dedicated SD card slot is included. You can just peel off this camera stickers. So that's the Infinix S3X. You can see that the glossy finish looks really good. It's not a glass finish, but it looks pretty good in terms of the finishing. And this has power and volume keys on the right side. We have the SIM tray on the left side. The top panel has the 3.5mm audio jack, and the bottom panel has the micro USB charging slot, the speaker unit, and the microphone. So overall, in terms of the looks, this device definitely looks great, and for a budget offering, this looks quite okay. Now on the front panel, it has 16 megapixel camera and the notch display. So let's boot the device, and in the meantime, let's see what else comes inside the box. So let's just take this out and see what all comes inside. So you can see that this comes with a case included. So it's quite a decent case, similar to the the Infinix S3. You can see there is a TPU case included with the box pack. Then you get a screen guard which is available on this device, and then you get the manual and warranty information. Next, let's see the cable. So this is the adapter. So let's see the voltage rating of the adapter. So you can see that 5 volt 2 ampere is the voltage rating, so standard charging. Then you get the SIM ejector pin and the standard tangle free cable, and this is the micro USB cable included. So that's all inside the box. Now let's see the device. So that's the Infinix S3X. It comes with a HD plus resolution display, and you can see that the display quality actually looks quite good. You can see the viewing angles are pretty good. The colors are really vibrant and colorful, and the brightness levels are quite adequate. And the touch response is also very smooth, and it has a pretty good display overall. So that's the display aspect of the Infinix S3X. Now let's go to the software. You can see that this comes with the XOS. So if you just swipe up, you can see the XOS features. Now let's go to the settings. So you can see that this is the settings. We have seen this UI on other Infinix smartphones as well. So system, about phone, you can see that this is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 430 octa-core chipset MSM 8937, and this has 3GB RAM, 32GB storage, 4000 mAh capacity battery, and the cameras are 12 and 2 megapixel rear camera and 16 megapixel front facing camera, and the screen resolution is 720 by 1500 resolution. So that's the Infinix Hot S3X, and this has Android 8.1 audio out of the box. So that's the UI. So you can see that this UI has some additional options and features included. You can see there is support for themes, some gestures, smart motion are included. So that's the UI of the Infinix S3X. So now let's open the camera UI and see how good the camera is. So it comes with a 13 megapixel rear camera. That's a dual camera setup. So let's see the camera interface. So it also has AI cameras. You can see that AI cam is included. Then it also has a 16 megapixel rear camera as well. So we'll take some samples with this device, and we'll also see how good the experience is. So let's also open the video recording quality. So let's go to the settings and let's go to this option. So video quality is 1080p resolution, that's the one available. So here are some of the samples we have taken with the Infinix S3X after unboxing the device. So we'll also be coming up with a detailed camera review later, so stay tuned for that. The device also comes with a 4000 mAh capacity battery, which should be quite good enough for more than a day of usage, and this has an HD plus resolution display, so it should last more than a day easily. So that was the unboxing and hands-on with the Infinix Hot S3X, which is the latest smartphone announced by Infinix in India. The pricing of this device is not known as of now. It will be announced once the device has been officially launched in India. So that's the Infinix Hot S3X. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button for more videos. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.